name is called Tabitha Giselle. If you're joining for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support and thank you for tuning in today's video. Today's video is my everyday makeup routine, the makeup that I basically wear on a day where I'm going into work, where I'm at home, and I just want to look a little bit glam, but it's not the full-on shebang. It's not like a full coverage glam. It's just enough to sort of cover the areas that I've got, you know, like maybe a bit of discoloration. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you like it. I'll list all the products that I've used in the description box below, like I always do. And yeah, let's get started with the video. So guys, for the purpose of this video, I've already done my eyebrows off camera. If you do want to see a video on how I do my eyebrows, then do check out my eyebrow routine / tutorial video, so do check that out. I will link it somewhere towards. So guys, for the purpose of this video, I've already done my eyebrows off camera. If you want to see my eyebrow tutorial, I will link that towards the end of this video, so do check that out. I've primed my skin. I'll show you which primer I use towards the end. For my foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Born to Glow foundation. This one is in the shade Cinnamon, and I absolutely love this one because it's a really nice foundation. It gives you a medium to full coverage, but it's like perfect on days where you don't want to use your expensive foundation just for an everyday glam situation. It's cheap, it's cheerful, and it does the job in terms of the coverage that you want for every day. So I'm just applying that towards the back of my hand, and then I'm going to go in with a little brush. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take that foundation and start applying it onto my face. Then I'm going to just grab my blending brush and just blend in that foundation. You guys already know the deal with my foundation. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I always use this one because it's just the best concealer, but I do want to actually try some new concealers that are out on the market. So do make sure you check out my videos that I'll be having in the upcoming months, where I'll be using, you know, more new products. So I'm just applying that onto the areas that I want to highlight, just so that I can just give my skin a bit of like some brightness, because right now it just looks a bit washed out. So I just go in with my concealer. And then to contour my skin a little, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and it is the satin finish in the shade Rich Chocolate. A little goes a long way with this concealer. It is quite rich and very creamy, so you don't need too much. I do contour my nose a little bit for my everyday makeup because I just like the look of it, and like those are the areas that I literally just contour, and then I blend that in again. I'm using this brush here from Refi Beauty. I actually got it alongside a bronzer. Do let me know if you guys want me to do a review on the bronzer that I purchased from them. It's absolutely gorgeous, but do let me know if you do want me to do a review at any point, and I will do. But I'm just using the brush because I just think it's absolutely lovely in terms of blending out. It's such a big brush, so it really helps with blending out this product. But you see what I mean by a little goes a long way. Like literally you don't need a lot with that concealer that I've just put on to contour. You just need a little bit, literally. I do apply a little bit of excess product onto my chin because I just like the look of it. And then guys, I'm going to go in with my highlighter from Maybelline, and this is the Chrome Extreme Intense Metallic Highlighter in the shade Sparkling Citron. Love this one because it just gives you the nice glowy vibes, which I absolutely love. I just love my skin glowing. I just think it just looks so pretty, and it just makes you look like you've come from a holiday and you just have this nice subtle glow. So absolutely love it, and it complements my skin tone nicely as well. That's why I love this highlighter. So for the lips guys, I'm going to be using my gloss here, which is the Extreme Plumping Gloss from Berry Cosmetics. Really love it so much. It just makes your lips look really nice and juicy and plumpy. So I apply that first like that. And then I go in with my liner, which is called the So Chic liner, lip liner from Berry Cosmetics again. And all I just do is line my lips. And then we're gonna go in with our Huda Beauty lipstick lip cream. I think that's what it's called, and it's called Shiro. This is, yeah, cream lipstick, that is correct, and the shade is called Shiro. And I just apply a little bit of that, mix it in. So once I apply that shade of lip cream, I'm gonna go back in with my lip liner. So what I do is I overline my lips slightly, and then I'm going to go in with this shade here of lipstick from L'Oreal, and this is the Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick Le Chocolat, and it's in the shade Sweet Tooth. So that is my lips done, and then now what I'm going to do for my eyes, I'm just gonna do, like, I like to add a little bit of a brown colors to my eyelids. So I'm gonna be mixing Glam King and Inspired, these two shades from the Kim Kardashian Beauty palette, the Artist and the Muse palette that I've used several times in my YouTube videos, and I'm just gonna mix those two up. I like a nice little brown eye because I just think it looks really pretty. It's just normally a very quick one, to be honest. I just blend that in. It's just to create color on my eyelid more than anything. It's not just like, it's not a full eyeshadow makeup look, it's just for character really. So I just blend that out all over the eyelid. And then you guys have already seen it before, Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara, love it. And all I'm just doing is applying mascara to my lashes. So dolls, this is the finished look for my everyday makeup tutorial, routine, whatever you want to call it. But this is my everyday makeup. I absolutely love it, and I just think it's simple, even though it seems like we've used a lot of products, but I just think it's things that just enhance my skin and the look as well. I don't apply any powders whatsoever all over my face. I just like my face to sort of breathe and let that bronzer sort of melt into the skin. I just think it looks nice like this. It's not cakey, it looks breathable, and it looks just natural without doing too much. It's just enhancing but not the full shebang. So I really hope that you like this video, and if you did, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment in the comment section below on what other things that you'd want me to do on my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye dolls.